How to add followers layout gadget on your blog or website on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Blogger. This is the home page or the dashboard, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is click on layout and then scroll down and click on add the gadget from here or here, any place you want on your website. Click on it and then scroll down until you find the followers option and click on it again, and now choose the title that you want to add. You can make it followers or my fans or any title you want, then click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.